For my owner-operators who are trying to figure out the fuel costs for a load, this video is going to show you how to determine your fuel costs for a specific load that you're running. From your dashboard screen, from your app, you would have selected the Money tab, and it would have taken you to the Load Input screen. Here, you would have already entered all of your information on your load. You're simply going to select Continue, and you'll now be taken to your fuel page. The next section you'll see is your equipment type. If you were running a van, you would select the van, and you'll see that your estimated fuel costs will populate here. If you select your flatbed, you'll see that your fuel cost has now changed. If you select box truck, you'll notice that your fuel cost changes here. For sake of this example, we are running a reefer load, so I'm going to select reefer here. You'll notice now that your estimated fuel cost for the line haul has automatically calculated and pulled in here. Your average fuel cost per gallon.
Let's do it over.
For our owner-operators out there who are trying to determine your fuel cost for your load, this video is going to show you how to determine how much fuel you will spend to run a specific load. For this example, let's continue with this example. Our origin is Edinburgh, Texas. Our first drop is Memphis, Tennessee. Our second drop is the Bronx, New York. Our deadhead, we're starting in Laredo, Texas. You've been offered a rate for $7,000 and your equipment type is the reefer. Now in your app, you are actually on your load input screen, and you've already inputted all of the information from your load. You got to this screen by selecting the Money tab at the bottom of your page. Now you want to look at your fuel. From this screen, you're simply going to select Continue. And you'll notice that you have now been taken to your fuel page. On this page, you have to select your equipment type. If you select your flatbed, here you'll see that your estimated fuel cost is this amount. If you select a box truck, you'll now see that your fuel cost has changed to this. But for this example, we are going to select our reefer. And now you'll see that the average national fuel cost automatically pulls in, and based on the line haul for this particular load, your estimated fuel cost is this number. Your deadhead cost actually populates for you as well, so you'll actually see the how much fuel or your estimated fuel cost for your deadhead. That shows here. Below your line, you're going to see your fuel surcharge. You'll see your baseline rate as well as your fuel surcharge per mile rate and your total fuel surcharge. So now you have all of your information that you need to help you determine your estimated fuel cost for this particular load. From here, the next step is now for you to negotiate with your broker your actual rate. And we'll look at this in the next video.